I put onion, tomatoes, and I put chilies inside because I like them when they're a little bit chili and hot, and this is what they're looking like.
Hey, yo, Todd.
I can't help myself when you're not around. You're all that I think about. It's not a waste of time when we take our time. Stay under the covers, yeah. I always say keep a good thing going, a good thing's going right. Sing, don't you think it's strange what's going on? Everything's changed, but I'm holding on. Stay with me, can't wait another day. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah. Don't let the sun come up too soon.
I have my mopane worms cooking right here. This is what they're looking like. They smell nice. They look great. They've become rehydrated again. Mix them up. And you don't need to put in any salt because they are already salted. So when you dry them up and preserve them, then you add salt. So there's no need to add any salt. I'm gonna go ahead and put the potatoes in here.
Hey, love on the bad boy, careful what you wish for. Walking out the door, baby, kiss me till the lips sore. I'm not sure who I miss more. Miss Goody Two Shoes or Miss. One make love, one's a grape. We always break up just to make up. One don't get high, she just break up. I dream they both mine, but then I wake up. Hey, got something good, you always want something better. Try to slow down, but the pace won't let up. Baby, give me time, I can't promise you forever, but as long as we're together, I'm yours.
Don't you think it's strange what's going on? Everything has changed, but I'm holding on. Stay with me, can't wait another day. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah. Let the sun come up too soon.
Swayze, we did it again, baby.
I've already cut up carrots and cucumber, and I'm going to just make a small salad to go with the mopane worms.
Sinking in your skin, got me falling in. Do you feel it? 'Cause I feel it, yeah. Swimming in your ocean, living for this moment. Call me and you're reeling me in. I always say keep a good thing going, a good thing's going right. Sing, don't you think it's strange what's going on? Everything's changed, but I'm holding on. Stay with me, can't wait another day. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah.
I'm gonna try one with some onion on it.
Yeah.
Hey, love on the bad boy, careful what you wish for. Walking out the door, baby, kiss me till the lips sore. I'm not sure who I miss more. Miss Goody Two two shoes on miss. One make love, one's a grape. We always break up just to make up. One don't get high, she just break up. I dream they both mine, but then I wake up. Hey, got something good, you always want something better. Try to slow down, but the pace won't let up. Baby, give me time, I can't promise you forever, but as long as we're together, I'm yours.
Okay, so I just finished working out and I have done some squats today, 100 squats. I did triceps, so I worked on my biceps. I did my biceps and I did sit-ups 100, and then my walk I still need to do up to 8 kilometers. So far I've done 4 kilometers of that, and then yeah, I'm feeling great.
Here right now, I feel like it would be cold for you, but for us it would just feel nice. It would feel like cooler. It will feel like warmer than yesterday. No, I didn't. I was talking. There's no stores here in Deerfoot, so yeah.
What do you mean there's no food at the house? You mean there's no food that you would like to eat at the house?
Mama, people say that sometimes. There's iFly right there. Not even crowded. You can barely see cars here.
Hardly any cars.
Yeah.
So which is good because I'd like to be home by 9 in the
iFly. And there's the wine place. Then there's the rec room right here. We went to the rec room before, remember? Then, yeah. Then there's Dollarama. There's Good Life Fitness. There's McDonald's. McDonald's would actually be nice right now. Yeah, Deerfoot City. This is where Walmart is. There's Original Joe's.
My perfect date starts in a small cafe. There's hearts everywhere cause it's Valentine's Day. We order up waffles, then share the whole plate. Sit by the window and start to debate. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. Cause I've been dating me my whole life. Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak in the knees. perfect date starts in a small cafe. There's hearts everywhere cause it's Valentine's Day. We order up waffles, then share the whole plate. Sit by the window and start to debate. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. Cause I've been dating me my whole life. Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak in the knees. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. She doesn't mind that I don't know how to cook. She likes the way I keep my nightstand filled up with books. And I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. Cause I've been dating me my whole life.
Okay, so cheers everyone. This is what the drink is looking like, and I'm going to go ahead and try it. Very nice, not too sweet. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge, and then when I feel like juice or just feel like having the drink, then I'm gonna have it anytime. But this is good. This is really good.